Castle's secrets whisper on the wind, a bridge teeming with legends, and neon puppets defy gravity. Prague offers more than just delicious beer. Will you explore a hidden Jewish quarter or witness a mesmerizing blacklight theater show? Join me on an unforgettable adventure to Prague, where Gothic charm meets vibrant energy, and every corner promises a story. Prague Castle. Ascend to Prague Castle, a sprawling complex that has been the seat of power for Czech rulers for centuries. Imagine yourself wandering through the majestic courtyards, marveling at the architectural beauty of St. Vitus Cathedral, and capturing breathtaking panoramic views of the city below. This iconic landmark offers a glimpse into Prague's rich history and royal legacy. Charles Bridge Stroll. Across the Charles Bridge, a historic pedestrian bridge adorned with 30 Baroque statues and a vibrant hub of activity. Imagine yourself following in the footsteps of countless visitors, rubbing the base of the lucky statue for good fortune, and soaking up the lively atmosphere of street performers, artists, and vendors. This iconic bridge offers a scenic walk across the Vltava River and a chance to experience a piece of Prague's history. Old Town Square and astronomical clock. Step into the heart of Prague's Old Town Square, a vibrant hub bustling with activity. Imagine yourself standing in awe before the astronomical clock, a medieval marvel that chimes hourly with a captivating show of moving figures. Explore the surrounding area, lined with colorful Baroque buildings, bustling markets, and street performers, adding to the lively atmosphere. This central square offers a taste of Prague's energy and a chance to experience its historical significance. Vltava River Cruise. Yourself gliding along the Vltava River, the lifeblood of Prague, on a scenic cruise. Relax and enjoy stunning views of the city skyline, iconic landmarks like Prague Castle and Charles Bridge, and charming neighborhoods lining the banks. This peaceful experience offers a unique perspective of Prague and a chance to appreciate its beauty from a different angle. Kutna Hora. Embark on a captivating and slightly spooky day trip to Kutna Hora, a town with a unique claim to fame. Imagine yourself exploring the Sedlec ossuary, a church decorated with the bones of over 40,000 people, an artistic and thought-provoking display. While the sight might be a little unsettling for some, it offers a glimpse into the town's fascinating history and religious practices. Balance the experience with a visit to the majestic Cathedral of St. Barbara, a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its stunning Gothic architecture. Český Krumlov. Step into a real-life fairy tale at Český Krumlov, a charming town nestled amidst rolling hills. Imagine yourself wandering through the narrow cobblestone streets, lined with colorful Baroque houses, exploring the majestic Český Krumlov Castle, and capturing picturesque views of the Vltava River meandering through the town. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a magical escape and a chance to experience a different side of the Czech Republic. Prague, a city where history whispers from ancient castles, bridges teem with legends, and vibrant culture explodes around every corner. You've experienced just a taste of what Prague has to offer, from awe-inspiring architecture and captivating performances to unique day trips and historical gems.